Snake and turtle swallow qi. 龟蛇服气. Snake and turtle rest is a universally helpful method because it is a return to our natural resting state. Many people have asked me how I cured my back pain and rebalanced my structure, and I always respond, standing practice alongside snake and turtle. While this may seem like a very simplistic idea, please give it the time and attention that it deserves. Standing embeds principles that can transform your body and keep you safe while active. Stand with your feet small shoulder width apart. Allow your mind to become tranquil as you observe the feeling of your body releasing and opening. Remain as long as you feel comfortable, allowing your whole body to relax. Do you notice that you seem to generate extra space inside you by softening? Imagine that the earth's vitality absorbs through your hands and your feet like a dry sponge absorbing water. The more spacious you become in your mind and body, the more it is drawn into you. Continue until you feel supple and expansive. Each time you practice, you will find it easier to stand longer. The consistent accumulation of softness and vibrancy will nourish your tissues and refresh your mind. Rest your palms onto your navel as you finish, nestling your awareness into the space beneath. The next step. Continue studying each of the snake and turtle exercises at this basic level until you begin a daily practice of the entire series. There is only one more beginner's lesson to explore before starting your new routine. Write down some of your insights in your journal to track your progress. Further classes will investigate the nuances of posture practice. One day, you will enjoy looking back to see how far you've come. Homework suggestion. This exercise is all about the nourishment we receive through rest and release. Of course, there is no better time to heal than during sleep. We must optimize our nightly opportunity to replenish and recharge. Enjoy at least 8 to 10 hours of sleep each night as often as possible. Many studies show the relationship between a lack of sleep and back pain. Take steps to ensure that nighttime remains a sacred commitment to self-love and well-being. For extra credit, take a nap during the day rather than stimulating with caffeine. Your spine will thank you. What are your favorite methods to get a restful night's sleep? Please share with us in the comments section. Become your most vibrant and well-rested self. Happy training!